And they don't want nothing to do with peace. I jump up in that whip, they call police. I'm driving, yeah, I'm speeding on a leash. Yeah, yeah. Oh Lord, way to go. Agents on my phone, we be on the road like we on a boat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right or wrong, I don't even know. All my conscience gone. I don't even know. All my conscience gone.
Alright, so I'm going to show you how to basically put cinematic shots into your YouTube videos, vlogs. It doesn't really matter, just whenever you're feeling fancy. So the first thing you can do, you want to get a camera, of course, or any type of camera, your phone, whatever you have. Alright, so what you want to do is maybe grab, take a shot of something beautiful, something nice, put a music behind it, you know, already. So you want to go down like here, and you want to have the camera facing the direction you want to take. So you want to go right here, press record, and you also want to just go slowly up. Alright, so that's basically cinematic shots. Another thing, you want to have, you want your object to be focused, and then the outside, the background, to be unfocused. So I mean that's basically how to do some HD quality cinematic shots. And I mean that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Blah blah dab. Alright, peace out.
In the stove, on the corner of my road. I should've took the boat. Yeah, I could've took the boat. Yeah, I'll be in a fuss.